Hey folks, I'm back. Cocktail Tony is back. Today I'm gonna make you
Hold the phone, wait a minute, hold the phone. Hold the phone. No, seriously, hold the phone. Hey, it's the real me. That kid's always trying to steal my thunder. What does he think he is? Huh? Well, this is a holiday weekend here in the States. And I guess maybe Canada too, I don't know. Canada? Oh, Canada. Canada Dry, yeah. Okay, anyhow, I got a few things to go over today. One, July 4th, what do you think of the fireworks? And don't drink and drive if you want to end up in this place. You know, maybe I said that too fast. I don't know. Don't drink and drive if you want to end up in this place. We're screwed up here. We've been drinking. It's a holiday weekend. But we're not driving, and we're not flying Delta. Okay. A few things to go over today. One time about 6 years ago, no, maybe it was yesterday. I think it might have been yesterday. We were walking through the parking lot. We saw $2 on the ground. We tried to pick them up, but they were dead. Ding, ding. Okay. My shout outs. Let's talk drinks. I heard some of you guys are locked down over there in Aussie. George, I hope everything goes well down there and you can go out and party soon. The best place to live is in Australia because you guys know how to take care of this pandemic stuff. But I don't know about staying in all the time. I don't mind as long as we have a fresh supply of alcohol. Alcohol will help you stay in a lot easier than without alcohol.
And Jimmy brings.
And Jimmy brings down there in Alaska. Australia. Australia's got Jimmy brings, folks. You want any booze, you call up Jimmy brings and he brings it to you. And Maple Cook. I don't know why you call it Maple Cook, but you guys are awesome. Maple Cook, check them out. They're a good site. And also, Broadway Barfly. Okay, Broadway Barfly. Those are my shout outs for the day. Today, or maybe it was yesterday. No, it's today, now, right now. I'm going to make a yellow bird. And I learned how to make that when we visited the Bahamas in I'm not going to give any years. I'm not going to give any years. Karen's over there shaking her head. No, don't say nothing. It was 1933, Annie. It was 1933. I got to muddle up some pineapple juice. Pineapples, fresh pineapples. Wait a minute. Where did that come from? Muddle up some pineapples. This is going to be a very good drink because it's going to be fresh fruit. I'm freshly squeezing pineapples. I'm freshly squeezing. Do you ever squeeze a pineapple? It hurts your fingers. Put some orange juice in it. Squeeze a lime in there. And pour it in. Woo. Ooh-wee. Now for the booze. 3/4 ounce of 99 bananas. Bananas 99. 3/4 ounce of bananas 99. And 3/4 ounce of Kahlua. Ooh-wee, that must be, never empty the bottle. Ty, I'm not going to empty the bottle. Ty, I'm not emptying the bottle. Whoop, that's on the floor. 3/4 ounce of Brandy. That went a little over. That's an ounce. It's supposed to be 3/4 ounce. I should have sipped it, but you guys don't want to see me sipping it, do you? Maybe you do, who knows. 3/4 ounce of rum. Dark rum, of course. Dark rum, 3/4 ounce. Whoop, a little bit over. Ooh. That's potent stuff. That is potent stuff. Don't forget, the potency is what makes the delivery good. If it's potent, it delivers really good. 2 ounces of regular rum here. Better do a little bit more. Let's do 2.5. 2.5 ounces of regular rum. And shake with ice. And oh, can I say it again?
Move.
Karen wants me to move shit, so I'm going to move shit. Get it out of the way.
Oh, you can't see.
Well, you can't see because your eyes are closed. Double strain it. Shit, I should have put ice on there. Well, I forgot the ice. After you guys are gone, I'm going to put more ice in there. I don't have enough ice in there. So that reminds me of a story. That reminds me of a good story. Back in 1973, when discos were popular, I used to dance. And you want to know what? People made fun of me because I can't dance. I can't talk. The only thing about me is the way that I walk. Who was that? Who was that?
Where's your garnish?
Oh, the garnish. She always has to remind me of the garnish, Cam. Teresa, Karen put pineapple and a cherry and an orange on there for garnish. Now there you go. The garnish is there, and there you go. Let me taste this thing. That's good shit. Excuse my language, but it is. Thank you for coming by. Vaccination. Wear a mask if you don't get one. And don't fly Delta because they got the COVID. And say hello to your mama and Cocktail Tony. Over and out.